More than 100 people came out for a public safety forum at the Billings Public Library. 6 people from city, county, state, and federal agencies talked about some of the challenges facing law enforcement.
We're seeing more of the international flavors starting to hit our community, and what do I mean by that? We have Mexican cartels that are actually targeting our areas.
Big issue during the legislative session was caseloads.
Crime is a growing problem in Billings. While there were fewer homicides in 2021, assaults with a weapon are up, along with several other violent crimes. And that means jails are also filling up.
My concern is we have too many people in there, and we're not getting them through the system like we should. And I think that's going to be part of what the panel is going to talk about, how we can get people through our criminal justice system. We have overcrowding, we have a lot of people in there with mental health and co-occurring, like drug addiction, those types of issues. And they're not in there necessarily for treatment, but we have to have some way to work with them and to help them succeed, and when they come out of the jail, to move on in life.
Billings Police Chief Rich St. John says the biggest problem in Billings is an increase in aggravated assaults over the last 3 years.
Here in Billings specifically, we have a high number of people who are using weapons, to injure people. Our homicides decreased from 22 to 9, so that's a good thing, but we still see high numbers of assaults involving weapons, specifically some sort of firearm.
And the chief agrees with the sheriff and the Department of Corrections about one of the bigger challenges.
Whether it is, not enough officers, not enough space in a jail situation, not enough probation officers, not enough counselors or mental health workers, it's capacity or lack thereof. And there's things we can do working together. There's things that are identified in existing laws, that can be cleaned up a little bit to help the situation. And I think if we do that all together, that we can make a difference and get the numbers turned the other way.
In Billings, David J., MTN News.